Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 compass, trip odometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.